Welcome everyone! Today we will be showing you how you can earn money online with this free app and get paid via PayPal. In less than a minute, you can register to use this completely free app. And you can start to make some free PayPal money on a regular basis. Stop dreaming about what is it like to make money on autopilot. This video will show you how to do it yourself. And the best part is that it works for many countries throughout the world, and all you need is an internet connection to make money while you're sleeping. And don't worry, you don't have to fill out any tedious questionnaires or offers, or watch any ads or anything like that. It's not like that at all. So before I explain how it works in detail, don't forget to like this video and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy generating money online. As a result, we should be getting 100 likes on this video. And if you haven't yet, do yourself a favor and turn on notifications on that red subscribe button, and I'll notify you if we have a fantastic approach to make money online. You might be one of the first to use it, and of course, you'll make the most money this way. And yes, this is the webpage. Here's the app we'll be using to make money on autopilot starting today. This is the website that will pay you automatically and for free. However, you will need to use 2 more platforms to make this website work. So in order to make money with this software, I'm going to show you a few different resources that you'll need to use together. So you don't want to waste your time filling out all of those tedious surveys and offers on this website, because it will take a significant amount of time and work, and it won't generate you as much money, and you won't be able to make money on autopilot unless you follow every step in this video. So you've never seen anything like this before, and I'm confident you'll enjoy it. You can see in the beginning, this app has paid out over $100 million in cash to its members who have waited in line for a long time. As you can see, Yahoo, CNN, and the Wall Street Journal all covered the story today. So, it's a large corporation to work with. They're collaborating with major brands, and there's a lot of opportunities here. If you want to make more money without putting in a lot of effort, you should go over all the facts from this video again, since I wanted to point out a unique feature of this website that not many people are aware of. But first, you must understand how iRazoo works. And sure, the name of this website and app is iRazoo. This can be found at iRazoo.com. And before we reveal more information, I like to show you one more thing. You can get paid through PayPal. Yes, you can get paid through PayPal. Or if you don't want to use PayPal for whatever reason, you can choose from the biggest brands online such as Amazon, and you can get different gift cards that you can spend and buy pretty much anything you want to do online. So there's a variety of ways to pay out and profit from this website. And if you're interested in learning more about how iRazoo works, I highly recommend watching this short video, which will explain exactly what they're doing and how users who regularly use this website earn money by installing apps, watching movies, and more. Now, since I want you to do something different in order to make more money on autopilot while making less effort, all you have to do is go to iRazoo.com. I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and click Refer Friends precisely where it says Earn Points. Because they have a really unique referral program that will allow you to make a decent amount of money for each person you refer. And don't worry, you won't have to spam your friends and family to get them to sign up for iRazoo or anything, because I'm going to give you 2 different completely free tools that you can use to attract genuine referrals. Refer your friends to iRazoo and they'll earn an additional 500 points just by accepting your invitation, all without lifting a finger. That implies that anyone who signs up after clicking on your referral link will receive an additional 500 points. As a result, they'll be more likely to join up for this website using your referral link. You're not giving them those points. iRazoo will simply reward them for signing up using your referral link. And once that friend achieves their first 1,000 points, you'll receive a free referral bonus of 100 to 1,000 points. This bonus can be earned by inviting all of your family and friends, so keep an eye on those points. The more points you gather, the more money you can make, and as you can see, one recommendation can easily get you up to 500 points on autopilot. So they'll make money by downloading applications, viewing videos, and whatever else they can think of. You will basically be making half of all their profits. So if someone makes $1,000 on this website, you have a chance to get $500 for free from that one individual alone. And I'm going to show you how you can refer dozens of others who will enjoy using Airazu. I mean, obviously, for regular folks who stumble across this website, watching movies and being paid or downloading apps and getting paid will be really enticing. The best part is that it is absolutely free to sign up through your referral link. So this part is going to be really straightforward. And what I like about this is that if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that if you refer just one person, you can earn around 500 points from that person. If you refer 5 people, you'll earn 2,500 points. If you refer 10 people, you'll earn 5,000 points. If you refer 20 people, you'll earn 10,000 points, and so on. And if you refer just 160 people, you'll earn 80,000 points that you can spend on gift cards or get paid out for real money. So to get started with Airazu, just click on the Start Referring button right here. You can sign up for free. You may now join using your Facebook account or manually enter your email address, first and last name, password, and then click Create Account. After you join up, this is what you'll see when you log into your Airazu account. You must then go to Pexels.com after obtaining your reference code. This is at Self.com's back end. After this is a third-party and completely free website that we will use. And this is the site where you can discover thousands of various stock photographs and films that you may use for free without having to pay anything. You're probably wondering what this has to do with Airazu and how it can help you make money on autopilot. Here's what you'll need to do next. Go to Pexels.com, click on videos, and then go to the search box. And now I want you to look for stock footage that is related to business, finance, making money, or just money. So let's suppose I just want to search for money. I'll go to the search box and type in money, which will bring up all these other videos, which I can use again without any copyright issues. I'm going to use this video right here as an example because I like it and I want to use it. All I have to do is click the download button right here with a down pointing arrow and it will be downloaded to my computer right away. And that's all you have to do for now. Go to Pexels.com and download at least 1 or 2 clips on financial, business, luxury success, cash work, or even gold piggy bank, office happy, or anything else related to finance, business, and making money because Airazu is all about it. You can now go to the final step, which is to visit Imgur.com. This is a similar social networking site where people may share various videos. And these videos get a lot of views because Imgur is viewed by around 250 million people on a monthly basis according to SimilarWeb.com. Every month, almost 350 million people visit Imgur. As a result, there's a lot of potentials on this page. Imgur.com also provides a significant amount of traffic. So once you arrive at Imgur.com, I like you to sign up by clicking the sign up button right here and creating a completely free account by providing your username in the box. Come up with a unique username for your account. In this box, type your email address, create a password, retype that password, enter a phone number, and choose your country of origin. Alternatively, you may register using your Facebook, Twitter, Apple, Google, or Yahoo account, which is far easier and faster than manually inputting those details. That's all it takes. What I want you to do is click on a new post right here to start creating your new Imgur.com post. That will bring you to a page where you may choose a photo or a video, and all you have to do now is double click on the video you downloaded from Pexels.com. The one that has been Imgur.com that was all about making money in business and finance. This is how it will look like. You may now preview it if you choose. There is no need to give this post a title. So you can say something similar to get paid to watch free videos or get paid to download free programs or whatever you can find on iRazoo. Or just create your own title. Think of something unique and put it in the title. Just make sure it's interesting enough to get attention, and then in the description, you can just say sign up to iRazoo.com for free and use my referral code for an extra 500 free points. They can claim these points for real cash or more as an incentive to click on the referral and sign up with the code. Of course, you can paste your referral code there as well. When you're finished, I'd like you to add tags so you can attract specific people. So if you want to express something like make money online, business, finance, or anything else related to money or progress, just enter in money. People who are looking for those posts will notice that there are options such as getting paid to watch free videos, and they will also notice that they can sign up for iRazoo using our referral code. And if they do, they will receive an additional 500 points, and once they sign up, they will begin making money on autopilot as more people sign up through your referral link. The more people that use your referral code, the more money you'll make. And everything happens in autopilot after you share it on Imgur, where over 350 million people can see it. Obviously, not all 200 million people will see it, but you already know there's a lot of potential here. And I strongly advise you to experiment with alternative pictures or video clips from Pexels.com. Experiment with different call to actions in the title to determine what draws more people and what works best. Experiment with various calls to action in the description. Explore to be as creative as possible and try as many different possibilities as you can, because there's a lot of possibilities here. When you're finished, simply click here to get the community. So to make this public to the entire Imgur community, simply select post publicly, and that's all there is to it from your end. That's all the work you'll need to do for this project. Simply join up for iRazoo, copy your referral link, and visit Pexels.com. Grab it or some other stock photos or stock videos related to business, finance, and making money. Then upload it to Imgur.com to publish it with your specific referral link. It can't get any easier than that. I sincerely hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new stuff. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next videos.